Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore your licenses on your PlayStation 5 Pro. If you can't play a game or something like that, maybe there's a lock screen next to it, what you want to do is go over the application and press options on it, just like this, and then you can go down to restore license. And you can do this for one specific game or you can do it for all of them. So that was just for Call of Duty. We can go up to settings, going down to users and accounts, and then under here, we can go to other. Go to the right, and then we have restore licenses. Restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. And then we can just select the games and then go to where it says restore. And it's going to go and close your game. So if you got some sort of single player game, just a heads up. And this should fix your issues. Now you can also go to console sharing and offline play. Maybe there's maintenance for the PlayStation 5. And if you don't have this enabled, you're not going to be able to play your games offline, and you could be getting a similar issue because of this not being enabled. Just go to enable right here, and you should be good to go. Now, if you can't disable your PlayStation because you don't have it anymore, maybe you gave it away, you can go to PlayStation or Sony.com, and then sign and go to settings, and there should be an option on there to deactivate your old PlayStation 5. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.